Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. If you're someone who can't resist the timeless charm of chrome, carburetors, and kickstarts, today's video is for you. We've rounded up 10 stunning classic motorcycles currently for sale across the US, each with its own story, soul, and reason to make you fall in love all over again. Let's dive into these vintage beauties that every rider would be proud to own. Number 1. 1997 Harley-Davidson Road King, $12,500, Spring, Texas. A true American icon, this 1997 Road King captures everything Harley stands for: bold design, deep rumble, and timeless appeal. This one's been loved and maintained by its single owner, featuring a fully rebuilt carburetor, new petcock, and brand new tires to keep the ride smooth and safe. The skull theme detailing adds a touch of attitude, while the beach bars, chrome controls, and hypercharge air intake make it stand out on any boulevard. It's got a Stage 2 cam setup and an all-chrome motor that gleams like jewelry under the sun. Add in a custom seat and pinstriped finish, and you've got a show bike that's equally ready to hit the road. Number 2. 1972 Honda CB350 Scrambler, $2,800, Stone Mountain, Georgia. Here's one for the purists, a beautifully restored Honda CB350 Scrambler, complete with the distinctive CL high exhaust. This lightweight twin-cylinder legend defined the early 70s with its simplicity and reliability. It's kickstart only, keeping that old-school charm alive. And even though a few small quirks remain, like the wiring or kill switch, it runs, rides, and brings back the spirit of Honda's golden years. With a clean title and room for light restoration or customization, it's an affordable entry into vintage ownership, and the kind of bike that makes people smile at every stoplight. Three. 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120, $6,800, Atlanta, Georgia. If there's one motorcycle that truly defines British classic, it's the Triumph Bonneville. This 1969 model is in near showroom condition, with matching numbers, fresh suspension, and new electronic components. It's been professionally serviced and is ready to ride or show. The Bonneville's 650cc parallel twin and dual amol carbs deliver that signature Triumph growl, refined yet raw. Every line, from the polished tank to the chrome fenders, screams timeless craftsmanship. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a living piece of 1960s motorcycling heritage. Number 4. 1997 Honda Magna, $1,800, Tarpon Springs, Florida. Affordable, reliable, and fast, the Honda Magna is a cruiser that quietly became a cult favorite. This red 1997 model still runs strong, recently tuned with new oil, filter, and plugs. Sure, it's got a few scratches and dents, but that's just character on a rider's bike. For under $2,000, you get Honda's legendary V4 engine, smooth performance, and a clean title. A rare combo. It's the kind of motorcycle that can get you into the classic scene without emptying your wallet. Five, 1970 BSA 650 Lightning, $6,500, Dixon, Tennessee. Here's a gem for fans of British engineering, the 1970 BSA Lightning. This one's been completely rebuilt about 8 years ago and still looks stunning today. It features freshly tuned carbs, new tires, and that beautiful polished metal finish BSA was known for. The 650cc twin offers that raw, responsive feel only vintage British bikes can deliver, a blend of vibration, power, and grace. Perfect for collectors or Sunday riders who want to relive that golden age of motorcycles. 6. 1977 Yamaha XS 650, $4,500, Naples, Florida. If dependability had a classic form, it'd look like this Yamaha XS 650. This particular bike is in excellent condition, all original, well cared for, and needs absolutely nothing. It's one of those machines you can start up, ride, and instantly feel connected to the road. Known for its bulletproof engine and timeless styling, the XS 650 is a staple of cafe racer culture and vintage builds alike. Ready to go, this one's perfect for anyone who wants classic performance without constant tinkering. 7. 1975 Suzuki GT750 Le Mans Triple, $5,500, Jacksonville, Florida. Nicknamed the Water Buffalo, the GT750 is one of Suzuki's most iconic two-stroke machines. This one retains most of its original parts and has been freshly serviced to run and ride perfectly. The three-cylinder two-stroke engine produces that legendary wail, unlike anything modern bikes can match. It's smooth, it's powerful, and it turns heads everywhere it goes. A clean title makes this triple a solid investment, a rare survivor that still loves to be ridden. 8. 1981 Kawasaki KZ, $2,500, Pensacola, Florida. For those who love raw performance and a great project base, this 1981 Kawasaki KZ is calling your name. It's a strong-running bike that's mechanically solid, with a new battery and dependable powertrain. Whether you ride it as is or turn it into a cafe racer or street tracker, it's a fantastic starting point for anyone wanting to own a piece of Kawasaki history. At $2,500, it's hard to find a better mix of power, simplicity, and affordability. Nine. 1977 Yamaha RD400, $4,500, Cumming, Georgia. Now this is a classic that screams personality. The RD400 is a lightweight, high-revving two-stroke legend, and this particular cafe build takes it to the next level. Rebuilt from the ground up, stripped, painted, tuned, and assembled, it's now running a Yamaha R5B 350 engine for extra punch. With over 200 fresh miles since the rebuild, it's a rider's dream, agile, quick, and bursting with nostalgia. For fans of vintage Japanese bikes, this one is pure joy on two wheels. (10) 1966 Triumph TR6R Trophy 650, $5,000, Fernandina Beach, Florida. We close with another British masterpiece, the 1966 Triumph Trophy TR6R. Numbers matching, strong compression, and beautifully aged, this bike oozes authenticity. It's powered by a 650cc single-carb setup with Boyer electronic ignition for reliable starts and smooth performance. Recently refreshed with a rebuilt carburetor, resealed gas tank, and new fork oil, it's ready for its next adventure. It's not a museum piece, it's meant to be ridden and enjoyed, just like it was in its glory days. For $5,000, it's a remarkable opportunity to own a piece of Triumph's golden heritage. Each of these motorcycles tells a story of craftsmanship, freedom, and timeless design. If you love discovering hidden gems like these, don't forget to subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and join our community of classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Until next time, ride safe, stay inspired, and keep the spirit of classic motorcycling alive.